Hi, and in today's video, we are going to go over factoring quadratic expressions and we're going to master it in under 10 minutes. Start the clock, someone. Okay, first off, we gotta learn what we're gonna learn. You know, my English teachers love me because. Okay, so you can read it for yourself, but yeah, I'm that type of teacher. Okay, see, we gotta go under 10 minutes. So what is factoring? So what this is called is a quadratic equation, and we need to find out what the x's are. This is really good for the SAT, you know, because I'm a master at the SAT. SAT videos coming soon, but we're gonna have to solve what the x's equal. So we can't solve it like this because oh yeah, don't forget it always has to be an equation, right? Right now, it's not an equation. It has to be equal to something. And usually, it's just equal to 0. That's what my pre-calc teacher told me. She took off points because I didn't write it equal 0 on it was a practice test. But, alright, it's fine. But we gotta rewrite it as one expression so we can get the products of the two simpler equations, and when we get that we could solve for x's. Okay, next slide. So here is the formula: x squared plus bx plus c, and usually b and c are numbers that are factorable, hopefully, and if they're not factorable, you're gonna have to do the quadratic equation, and that's for another video because it's under 10 minutes, you know. So okay, so the simple idea we have to do is we need to find two pairs of numbers that will add up to b, like add into each other to equal b, but when they multiplied each other they equal c. I know that might sound confusing, but we're gonna go over a couple examples. Okay, here's our first example: x squared plus 7x plus 12. Okay, we need to find something that multiplies into 12 but adds into 7, and our solution would be 3 and 4, because when you times each other, they equal 12. But when you add them, they equal 7. And that's how you write them. X plus 3, x plus 4. And then you can find out what x is as by setting these equal 0, and you get x equals negative 3 and x equals negative 4. And that would satisfy the equation if it equals 0. Right? Okay, I know that was really quick, but let's hope you can do it. So pause the video and try solve this on your own before continuing. Hold up, I need to solve this too. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so I'm gonna take a 5-second scroll break while you do that. Okay, wait, gotta get back on that. Okay, I hope you got 4 and 5, because multiplying each other equals 20. As you can see, you get 20. And then 4 plus 5, I hope you know how to do that. I didn't know how to do that until 5th grade. Equals 9. So x plus 4, x plus 5, and that's how you factor it. Okay, let's try another one. So we have x squared plus 11x plus 24. I don't know why there's a hint. I feel like you should not get hints. No one gave me a hint. But my pre-calc teacher would let me like work in pairs sometimes. Like she if it was a hard test, she would just let you work with a partner. And low key, when the partner got to me, he low-key was so happy because he thought I was smart. But I did study. No, I did study. But for the first couple of quizzes, I did not know how to do it. But no, it's fine. Okay, let's find out the answer. The answer is 3 and 8. Because 3 times 8 equals 24, and 3 plus 8 equals 11. Right here. And you know, there's another way of like splitting the middle. where my 8th grade teacher teaching me Algebra 1 tried to teach me, I think. But I just completely forgot it. Because I did not like splitting the middle. And if you're learning splitting the middle right now, good for you. Good for you. Okay, so let's go on to challenge 1. Ho ho! This is challenging me. Okay, x squared plus 13x plus 40. So can you solve this without writing every possibility? Just think in your head. Okay, the answer is 5 and 8, because if you multiply them, those equal 40, and if you add them, ho ho, wait. No. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to me. Whatever you just heard, you're hallucinating it. I'll give you 10 more seconds to solve it. Oh, wait a minute. I am right. It's so late at night. I thought 5 plus 8 was 14. So yeah, maybe these videos are actually for me, just to review. Who knows? Who knows? Okay, so let's keep going. Oh, I'm making good time. Okay, first off, common mistakes. This is what I did on my geometry exam, because yes, you did need to factor, and I made those mistakes. I thought I got 100, but okay. Don't forget to check the multiplication and addition, because that's really the main goals of factoring. Okay, make sure to check both conditions and write factors carefully. So you want to write it out, and you want to like put both equations, make sure they add into each other, and multiply each other to get that equation as seen above. And there's more complex things where there can be an actual number in front of here, and then there's a lot of other ways. There's another way you have to do it then. Like, I can get to another video, but I usually do slip and slide, but that'll be another video. Okay, yeah. Okay, so just remember these steps. First step is multiply to get to C, add to get to B, and then write the factors. Wow, where was this when I needed? Okay, just make sure to practice, because practicing is the key to mastering factoring. This is like the very basics of factoring. I think in my first video I just talked about like multiplying into parentheses, but I guess I'm building up the complexity. As you know, final video, PhD in calculus videos coming soon. Yeah, that is never coming. Okay, so I hope you know how to. This is basic factoring, so like I hope like, oh, is that a fly on my desk? Go away. Okay. Yeah, so I really hope you know how to factor now. If you don't, just rewatch this a million more times. And yeah. I don't know what else to say. Just stop procrastinating. Okay. Bye.